Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Meet the faith requirement and attune Lightning Spear to a memory slot while your sacred seal is equipped. Once done, make sure your seal is upgraded and has favorable scaling. That increases bolt damage. Position yourself roughly 6 to 12 meters from the target to avoid early dodge or parry. Then lock onto the enemy, raise the seal, and begin the cast. Shorter cast times let you follow up faster. This gets the first actionable cast into play immediately. You now focus on execution. Alternate quick tap casts for pressure and full channel casts when you predict enemy recovery to maximize damage. While channeling, watch stamina and spacing. Step back or strafe to bait dodges so your bolt lands as they commit. Make sure to layer buffs like Golden Vow or temporary damage foods before heavy casts. These multiply your impact. Once you land a heavy hit, follow with melee or secondary spells to exploit stagger. Keep tempo tight. You finish fights by committing to a decisive cast or closing for a melee combo when the enemy is staggered. Conserve FP so you can escape if things go wrong. If your bolts consistently miss or feel weak, make sure your lock-on is stable, that you're within effective range, and test for lightning resistance or immunity. If performance lags, swap to a higher scaling seal, respec into more faith or arcane, and carry FP restoring consumables. That troubleshooting keeps Lightning Spear reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.